Like أنا لا أشرب القهوة. I don't drink coffee. Right? Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back, dear brothers and sisters. Today we are going to learn together in this grammatical lesson how to express negative form in the past, in the present, and in the future. Okay? So in each of these tenses we use a different means or different tool. Okay? So for example, if we are talking about present or something that is habitual, for instance, I don't like something. So that's, we're not talking about the present now we are talking about something that's a habit. Like I don't like gossip. أنا لا تعجبني النميمة. Okay? We use لا for the present or for a habit. لا. Okay? Like أنا لا أشرب القهوة. I don't drink coffee. Right? أنا لا أشرب القهوة. Okay? That's present. In the past, we use لم. Okay? Didn't. لم. Right? For example, أنا لم أحضر للدرس. I didn't attend the lesson. لم أحضر. Okay, we don't say لم أحضر or لم أحضر. We say لم أحضر. Okay, it should be مجزومة. What does it mean مجزومة? There is a سكون at the end. The last alphabet should have سكون. Okay, سكون. لم أحضر. لم أحضر. لم أذهب. لم أشرب. Right? Etc. Another example here. لم آكل فطوري. لم آكل فطوري. I didn't eat my breakfast. لم آكل. Okay? It's not لم آكل. لم آكل. Right. This is in the past. What about in the future? In the future we use لن. لن. Okay? لن. You are talking about the future. For instance, لن أحضر للحفل. I will not attend the concert. لن أحضر للحفل. For لن, the verb shouldn't have سكون at the end. We don't say لن أحضر. لن أحضر. لن أشرب. لن آكل. لن أذهب. Okay? لن أحضر للحفل. I will not attend the concert. لن أذهب للرحلة. I will not go on the trip. Thank you so much for all your beautiful comments because they really encourage me to make greater efforts and work harder and harder for you to make it easy. See you later in the next video, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.